Enjoy fabulous views from morning to sunset to sparkling evenings on this high-floor, west-facing one-bedroom featuring an open kitchen with a breakfast bar open to the living room, perfect for entertaining. There are hardwood floors, custom lighting, extensive below-window custom cabinetry for storage, as well as custom-designed closets throughout. Come home and relax after a long day in the spa-like renovated bathroom. The apartment also features terrific western views and great natural light. All of this in the financially prudent Vermeer Cooperative, offering full-time doorman, concierge, live-in resident manager, garage, central laundry, bike storage, and gorgeous finished planted roof deck with panoramic views of the city. Not to mention a terrific recently renovated lobby. And let's not forget the amazing High Line, Chelsea Market, and the finest restaurants and shopping in the area are all right nearby. For more information, contact Ruth Sobie with Brown Harris Stevens.